Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to connect to MySQL database from Jupyter Notebooks. So I've got a MySQL database which I've created in Amazon, AWS. So this is my database instance and this is the endpoint. So endpoint is typically what we use to connect to a MySQL database on Amazon RDS. And so let's start. I've got a Jupyter notebook open here with me and I've got some code. So you need to install MySQL package. So I will just do this and so I've just hit Shift Enter to execute this. And then I will just import this package. And now what I will do is I will connect to this connection. So I will say, I will give this pymysql connect, and then I will say this is the host, this is the port number. So by default 33606 is the port that you connect on. And then I've got my user ID, password. I've created a database called SalesDB. So in that MySQL database, so I will just create a connection. And I'm just going to copy this and I'll paste it here. And don't worry about this. I will put this code in the show notes so you can grab it and execute it. So I've just defined a connection string, and now the next step is to sort of we'll define a cursor. And then I will create a string called the create table, and I will pass on as you can see, it is a create table statement where I'm creating a table called salespeople, and SalesPersonId and SalesPersonName are the only two columns that are on there. And I will do Shift Enter. And seems to be throwing an error because we've not closed the string. So let's just do this again. So I've done the statement, and now all I need to do is use the cursor and execute this table. So if I do Shift Enter, it returns a 0. So let's just connect. I've also got MySQL Workbench, which I've got connected. As you can see, the sales people table has been created, and if I click on that, it has got two columns, salesperson and ID and salesperson name. So let's just execute this. And as you can see, there is no data. So we will just add some data. So I've got an insert statement where I'm just going to insert Daffy Duck. So let's just go back here and do Control V, and I will do a Shift Enter. And let's go back and execute this statement. And you can see there it is still fetching and it still returns 0 rows. So what's the reason for that? That is because we've not committed anything so far. So what we need to do is just one is we need to execute the statement because we've just done the insert statement. So but even now, if we execute it, we won't see any data. And that is because we've not committed the connection. So let's go back and let's just commit. And I will hit Shift Enter. And let's try executing the statement again. And you can see it's returned one Daffy Duck for us. And we'll just close this connection before we go from here. So I'll just do a conn.close. So in this video, we learned how to connect to a MySQL database on an Amazon RDS. And we went through this Python script that we've used. We've used pymysql for connecting to the MySQL database. I will put this code in the video notes if you want to play around with it. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to create an RDS on Amazon AWS, please do let me know and I will do that. Otherwise, you can Google and you should be able to find enough material to learn to do an RDS. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.